how to turn on or turn off TalkBack use Braille display on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. So I'm going to turn off TalkBack for now. Okay, so go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on TalkBack. In here, tap on Settings. Now, in order for us to use the features Braille display, it said that we need to turn on TalkBack. So we go to TalkBack and turn it on, then tap on OK. Then we go into Settings. So I tap on it once, then double tap to go into that item. Now in here, we're going to go down and tap on Braille display. So tap on it to select, then double tap. Here, tap on Use Braille display, and then double tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Okay, so that's how you can turn it on, or you can turn it off. Here, I will go back and I will turn off TalkBack. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.